Hello, today I'm going to talk about what happens to a modular house after it gets built and it leaves the facility that it's built at. This house was built by the Geometry and Construction program at Loveland High School. For more information, go to our website at geometryandconstruction.org. This is the house after it's been set on the foundation. It's starting to get close to being done, but it's not done yet. This is the foundation. This is what stabilizes the house. As you can see, the concrete is in a stair-step fashion. This is because it's built into the side of a hill. This is the main I-beam. It is the main support for the house and the seam of the house. Both halves of the house will rest on this evenly. Once it's put into place, however, they need to put a second top plate on. This is just to, yet again, help support and set off the seams from the single top plate and to even everything out. Once that is done, they put a strip of foam around the outside. What this does is it will create a tighter seal. The foam will actually be compressed by the weight of the house and flatten out, and it will make a tighter seal. Once they are ready to lift the house onto the foundation, they move it down by using a front-loading skiff. They just lift the front, and it ends up working like a hitch, and they can push it into place. They do this because the crane has a limited range of mobility. It can only reach out so far. So they need to move it closer so that the crane can actually pick it up. Once they're ready, they will put the harness on the crane and they will put the straps under the house. And then they will lift it. The amazing thing about this is they are only using 4 people. 1 to operate the crane and 3 to guide it into place. Once the first half is in, they will repeat the process and put the second half in. You can see yet again, it moves very, very effortlessly with only 3 people guiding it into place. As you can see, the house is somewhat malleable. It'll bend a little bit. That's because all of the materials that are used have a little bit of give in them. And so together, the whole piece has a little bit of give. We usually don't think about that because the give is very, very minimal. But as you can see, it will give a little bit. Once it's done, the straps are removed and we can get a good look at the rigging. The rigging that they use is all heavy-duty cords, straps, and very minimal metal pieces. If you look at the bottoms of those triangles are metal. However, everything else are ropes and straps. that are just very large and very, very strong. That's why they can move the house and lift a house, which is very, very heavy, very easily, and they don't have to worry about anything breaking. Alright, now the house is set and everything seems to be done. Well, not quite. Things that are still left to be done are finishing the roof, finishing siding, make it completely watertight, finishing flooring inside, hooking up electrical, hooking up water and sewer, and those sorts of things. For this house, they're adding a staircase, and they will need furniture and other small things like that. Thank you for watching. I hope you now know a little bit more about what happens to a modular home after it's built.